I'll be working on that. MRI Chiller from Haskris, my first time. I'll show you some videos if I remember. Black hole lick on the MRI Chiller. I came up to it and it had like a very small leak, and I tried to tighten it down. It started leaking worse. So I'm waiting on them to shut the chiller. Waiting on them to get their taking out, and then I'm gonna try to remove this fitting and just plug this fitting to the line for them tech support and see if I can stop the leak so I don't have to come back out here because I'm on call. And this is a Haskris MRI Chiller. That's the control panel, high voltage, low voltage transformer, phase monitor. That's your glycol fill, your compressors, of course, your pump, and this your control. And this is the chiller. Nylog on it. Prayerfully this stops the leak. Not nylog, thread sealer. So if you go in this way, you go in right. That's it. So what is that? It's got with it. Let's stop the leak prayerfully. Pray it stops the leak. Prayerfully that stops the leak. Dry it up, turn the chiller back on and see. Alright. Wrong way. Oh, that's the wrong way. Alright, it's dry. I'm gonna go turn this back on. Turn this back on. Now let's see if it stops. That fixed the leak. This was leaking. I probably could have just took some thread sealing and put around this fitting, but I didn't even want to risk putting it back in and then leak again. So tech support told me I was fine. Just threading that in there and the chiller back up and running. And I don't have a leak right now, but I did lose some glycol. It's pretty. Got some in my bucket, but my level should still be good. So I'm about to button this back up and probably brush the coils off, and then I should be done on this PM.